Happy Tuesday. All right, so this week should be pretty easy, at least for keeping track of stuff. So goals for the week: work on and finish your manga self-portrait. It's going to be due next Monday, so the 11th. So this week's schedule: work on your portrait. Work on your portrait. Don't forget to check in either during office hours or submit a Flipgrid video. And then on Friday, work on self-portrait. And then remember, on Fridays we have the shares. So share what you've been working on, whether it is this specific project, a doodle, or something else relatively project or class related. Remember, there's beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Remember, I want you to make sure that you are also letting me know which level you are doing. It should be relatively obvious, but whether that is like titling it in your submission or putting it somewhere. But I do need to know which one you're actually doing. Minimum, remember, don't forget to check out the expectations for the overall project, then also for each individual level. But that's it, right? You're pretty straightforward this week. So have fun, enjoy, and go from there. All right, bye.